In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a cart button on Wix. If you're building an online store, a visible cart button is essential. It gives your visitors a quick way to review what they've added and proceed to checkout, and it helps your site feel polished and professional. Start inside your Wix editor. Look toward the top left and click the plus icon. This opens the Add menu, which is where you can bring new elements onto your site. It's your toolbox for everything from text and images to e-commerce features. Once the menu is open, scroll to find the Store section. This is the category dedicated to online store elements. Inside the Store section, select Cart icon. This is the familiar shopping cart or bag symbol your customers expect to see. As a quick note, this icon is only available if you've installed the Wix Stores app on your site. If you don't see the Store section or the Cart icon option, that's a sign the app isn't added yet. Once the app is installed, the icon will appear here automatically. After selecting the Cart icon, simply drag it onto your page and drop it where you want it to live. A popular and effective choice is the header, because the header typically appears across your pages, making the cart easy to find no matter where visitors are on your site. As you drag the icon, watch for the alignment guides that help you snap it into place so it looks neat and consistent with your design. You can place it on the right side of the header for a familiar look, or choose any spot that fits your layout and brand. That's really all there is to it. Once the icon is on your site, it will automatically reflect what's in a visitor's cart and often show a small counter when items are added. This gives shoppers a clear, constant cue that their selections are saved and ready for checkout. If you want to refine the look later, remember that you can adjust its size, spacing, and position so it blends with your navigation and logo. Keeping enough padding around the icon will help it stand out without crowding other elements. Most importantly, placing it in a consistent, easy-to-spot location builds trust and reduces friction for your customers. And there you go. By clicking the plus icon at the top left, going to the Store section, selecting the cart icon, and dragging it into your header or anywhere on your site, you've added a clean, functional cart button. That's all you need to get this crucial storefront element in place.